Inspecting your roof is a vital part of making sure your RV stays in good condition. If there is any water intrusion in any portion of the roof membrane, it can destroy the roof and the structural integrity of the entire RV. Now, the first thing that you want to do before coming onto your roof is make sure that it is capable of being walked on. Some RVs will come with a pre-installed ladder so that you can access the roof, but always check your owner's manual and make sure that it is structurally sound enough to support your weight. If not, you can always lay plywood down to create a walking path. And always make sure that you plan your path for walking. There's a lot of components that you can trip on and make this situation very unsafe. The first thing that you want to do is to clean off your RV roof and clear off all of the debris with a soft bristle broom. Once you've cleared all of the debris off your roof, you can start inspecting the membrane and the seals. The seal on your roof is composed of a primary seal and a secondary seal. The primary seal is butyl tape that is between the component and the roof membrane. And then the secondary seal is the self-level seal around each component. If you see any holes or tears or loose seal that you can peel up with your hand, you'll want to remove that. Clean the area with dish soap and water. And then you'll use a self-leveling seal like the Alpha Seal around each component and replace it. Before you apply any sealant, make sure you know which correct sealant you must use. There are two different types of sealants that are used. The first type is called a self-leveling sealant for horizontal surfaces. This type is used mainly on flat surfaces like the top of the roof. The second type is called non-sag sealant, used for vertical surfaces. This type is used mainly on the side of the unit. This type of sealant does not sag or run down like the self-leveling sealant. When the work area is dry, apply a generous amount of the correct sealant over the troubled area being repaired.